Hello, students of class 10. Today we are going to continue our chapter, that is chapter 8, climate. So, in our previous class, we had seen four seasons. So, I hope the first season, the hot and dry summer, is clear to you all. So, today we'll see the second season, that is the hot and wet or rainy season or the southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon season lasts from June to September and the season of general rainfall. So here you can see that the southwest monsoon season, it distribute the rainfall to almost all the parts of India, that is from June to September. So, the differential heating of land and the sea during the summer months causes the monsoon winds to drift towards the subcontinent. So, the large landmass to the north of Indian Ocean, it gets intense heated during April to May, and it forms a intense low pressure in northwest part of India. So on the map you can see towards the northwest region low pressure is created, isn't it? So this is due to the high temperature during April and May. And high pressure in the ocean to the south of landmass is higher. That is, towards the ocean, you can see high pressure is created, isn't it? So, towards the south part of India, you can see high pressure is created. Towards the northeast of India, you can see northwest part of India, you can see low pressure is created. So this will attract the southeast trade winds which prevail in the southern hemisphere. Okay, so here you can see the southeast trade winds, they are prevail in the southern hemisphere. So these southeast trade winds, they cross the equator and deflected towards the right side. So these winds you can see in the high pressure area, the southeast trade winds are blowing. So when they cross the equator, they will change their direction. That is, they will turn towards the right side. This is due to the Coriolis force. You can see the southeast trade winds, they reach the west coast and it is called the southwest monsoon. Okay, so it will receive heavy rainfall in this region. Okay, so here you have seen that the south towards the southeast, the southeast trade winds, they cross the equator and it deflates towards the right. When they cross the equator, it is due to the Coriolis force and it reaches the west coast as a southwest monsoon. Next we'll see the burst of monsoon here. So the southwest monsoon, it will bring heavy rainfall with thunderstorm and lightning. Okay, and this will happen in the first week of the June. So that is called as burst of monsoon. So in the first week of June, you can see thunder, lightning, very violently it will be there, and a heavy rainfall. Next we'll see break of monsoon. So when the southwest monsoon fails to bring rainfall for 2 to more weeks and there is a dry period in the rainy season is called break of monsoon. So here you can see the burst of monsoon in the first week of June. The rainfall will start here and there will be a gap, okay, gap of 2 to more weeks. So that period is a dry period and this is called break of monsoon. Next we'll see the southwest monsoon winds divides into two branches, that is the Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch, it is again divided into three branches. So the first branch is obstructed by the Western Ghats. Okay, so towards the Western Ghats you can see the arrows are shown. So it is the first hit of the Arabian Sea branch. So these winds, they go up to the slopes of Western Ghats, become cool and bring heavy rain to the windward side of Sahyadris and western coastal plains. After that, this wind will cross and it will be getted heated up and the humidity in the wind is reduced, and when it reaches the rain shadow area there will be only little rainfall, that is towards the east of the Western Ghats. Okay, so second is that the second branch of the Arabian Sea monsoon winds strike the coast of north of Mumbai. You can see towards the Mumbai one arrow is passing, isn't it? And it is reaching towards Narmada Tapi Valley. So these winds further it moves towards Narmada and Tapi river valleys and cause fair amount of rainfall in central India. And the Chota Nagpur plateau receives 15 centimeter of rainfall from this branch. After that it enters the Ganga plains and mingles with the Bay of Bengal branch. So you can see in the picture there. Third point is that, or the third branch strikes the Saurashtra Peninsula and the Kutch, that is towards the Gujarat region. You can see the arrow is going towards Saurashtra and Kutch here. So after that it passes over West Rajasthan and along the Aravalis. Aravalis is standing there. So these wind will go parallel to the Aravalis. As a result, scanty rainfall will be received by Rajasthan. And the Arabian Sea branch, they join the Bay of Bengal branch in Punjab and Haryana. You can see there the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch, they both are meeting near Punjab region, isn't it? So together these two branches cause rainfall in western Himalayas. Next we'll see the Bay of Bengal branch here. The Bay of Bengal branch is directed towards the coast of Myanmar and part of southeast Bangladesh. You can see that arrow mark is shown towards the Myanmar region, isn't it? So here you can see the presence of Arkanyoma hills along the coast of Myanmar. So as a result, a large part of this branch of monsoon is deflated towards the Indian subcontinent. So they divert towards the Indian subcontinent. So it's a benefit to us, isn't it? So here this branch bifurcates into two branches, that is one will go along the Ganga plains and another will go along the Brahmaputra valley. So these branches cause widespread rain in Ganga plains and in Brahmaputra valley and Garo and Khasi hills of Meghalaya. Okay. So the distribution of rainfall, it is due to the relief or topographical features. Okay, that's why you can see in some regions heavy rainfall is received, in some parts very little rainfall is received. It is due to the relief or topography. Okay, so here first example you can see that the heavy precipitation in northeastern states is due to the occurrence of the hilly regions in the states. As you see on the map here, you can see three hills like Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills are there. They are like a curve shape they are standing, isn't it? So almost most of the Bay of Bengal branch rainfall is received in this area. That's why you see that the highest average annual rainfall is received in Khasi Hills, that is towards the southern range of Khasi Hills, where Chirapunji and Mosindram is situated. Okay, so there is a decrease in rainfall as we move from east to west direction. Next, we'll see the second example, that is the Tamil Nadu coast. Tamil Nadu coast remains dry during this season. So, this is because the Tamil Nadu coast is located parallel to the Bay of Bengal branch and lies in the rain shadow of Arabian Sea branch also. That's why Tamil Nadu region are not getting rainfall in southwest monsoon. Okay, both the Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch, they are not receiving the rainfall. You can see the arrow mark how it is going, isn't it? So, children, for today we'll end up the class here. I hope this topic is clear to you all. So, everyone revise the chapter once again. Okay. Thank you, children.